Hello and welcome back. We're back in Don't Starve, and we try to find that one piece of flint. One more piece of flint. Flint's such a jerk. Doesn't want to show itself. Cut down this tree. Great. Where's my axe? Sad face. Grab. And sleep. Just looking for a piece of flint. You know, that one piece of flint that doesn't exist that I'm looking for. Perhaps you've seen it. Get these berries too. Oi. Pick some carrots. Because carrots, the heck is that thing? I don't want to mess with it. Maybe it'll kill me. That'd be bad. Flint. Flint. Flint! Yes! Carrot. Okay, there's a rock. I saw a rock around here. So I'm gonna get these berries, these scrumptious little berries, and get that carrot over there. And over here. Oh, yeah, it sticks. Okay, good. Now, let us go find ourselves a rock. I could have sworn I saw one over here. Oh, there's a rock. Okay, so we're gonna set up camp like right here. Looks good. Okay, well, let's make a fire. Fire. Right here. Let's make a pickaxe. Let's cook some food. Food for days. Ooh. I can eat those. These berries. Ah, cooked berries. Minus rock. Flint, rocks. What the heck is that? Pick up rocks. Okay, huh? It's nice. Let's go find another rock. Ooh, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. That was short. That was really short. Holy crap, right? Tremendous fire down here. Eat a drumstick. Kind of filled me. Okay. Pick up these seeds. Back to the fire. It's getting a bit low. I just fed it a bunch. Don't get low. Ever again. Alright, now that we got that. What's this green thing? Address. What's this? Oh, I need profile. Science. What's this? Science machine. Yeah, okay. Let's get an axe. I have an axe. That's good. I want a shovel. How do I get a shovel? Shovel. Move plants around. Use a science machine. Come on! Science machines. I hate them. Pick up these seeds. Get this. Scare this bird away. Kill it! No. Scare it away. What is this? It's not a geologist. No? Can you stop? Okay. Seeds. Cook. Man, I am just cooking. Toasted. I don't need a full hunger. That's I don't know. It looks kind of good enough to get a berry. That's good. Oh, it's getting really dark, so it's gonna become daytime any minute now. What was that? What the heck was that? I don't like that sound. Ugh. I'm scared now. No! Thing dies fast. It's getting a bit low, no dip. I know it's getting a bit low. Come day already, please. Fight. A grass suit provides a small amount of protection. I'm scared. This is a long day. Crack my back and I'm gonna be sarcastic. Oh, jeez. Come on. Come day. Can't feel it anymore. I don't have anything to fuel it with. Huh. That was close. Chop. Let's get this one. Chop it down. Come on, chop. Chop. Stop being an idiot. Just chop. Chop it faster. Get over here and start chopping. Chop away, genius. Okay, there's gotta be another rock now, because look at this. Show map. Wow. That'll teach him. Alright, let's find a rock. Oh, that was laggy. Look at the lag there. Let's pick up this carrot. I need rocks. Like giant rocks. Because I want to get gold to make a science machine. I have science machine. Yeah. I just need, yeah, so. I need to find a rock. Ah, there's a rock. Let's get it. Oh, that's a bee's nest. Let's just go around that. Oh, there's bees. It's sleeping. I could have swore it said it was a green mushroom. This is starting to look familiar. Oh, what's over here? Okay. Oh, berries. Get those. Take the berries. I thought you picked stuff up faster. Gotta find another rock. I just owned the other one. Oh, no, I can't believe it. Oh. Just like strut my stuff like I own the place. Rock over here, maybe? Something? I don't know. Maybe? Any rocks? Maybe it's over. Maybe it's rock over here. Can I jump? No, I can't. Okay. I don't like this mudded area. berries. Harvest stuff faster. Really. Okay, I've been here. But I don't know if I had a pick when I was here. What the heck? Explore around, you know? Why not? Just explore. You can't walk up it? Okay. Rocks. Rocks is what I need. I need some rocks. Boulders? No? No? Okay. Are you kidding me? How many of these have I had to build? Like 4? Let's just cook some food that I got. The carrots. Cook that. Cook some of that. Berries are good. Eat a carrot. Oh, this whole too fast. The night's like super long and the day's like nothing. Fast. What the heck is that? Oh god, what the heck is that? What is that? What? What? I could like. Oh. Yeah, I'm scared. What the heck? What are those noises? I never thought this game would get this creepy. Jeez. Sounds like there's a UFO. I could have swore I saw like blinking eyes. Have I gone mad? There they are. Go after it. Yeah, chop this tree. Maybe we can kill it. What the? I don't even. Rock! Go to town on this thing. What the frick is that? Oh. I've examined almost the whole entire thing. No gold. Berries. Screw you, bee. I'm not gonna even attack it. I'm just gonna ignore it because I'm gonna pick up these seeds. Kill this bunny. Or not. Okay. Follow the yellow brick road. That's what I feel like I'm doing. Follow the yellow brick. What the heck is that? Jump in wormhole. Did I just kill myself? Okay. Was I not supposed to do that? Flint. Mushroom. Carrot. Tree just died in front of me. This game, you know, it's really good. I like this game a lot. I think it's one of the better games I've played, Berries. So, I think I need gold. That's like my main priority. I don't know. Oh, hey, look. Alright, so, there's a little desert here. There's another wormhole. I'm not jumping in that one. Unless I don't find a rock, then I'll jump in. But, I don't know. Let's pick up grass. Maybe that's might help us or something. Oh, I grew a beard. I have a beard. It's raining. What? Okay. Keep following it. Keep following it. Food. 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 Maybe I should jump in this wormhole. Do it. Or no berries. Crap. No. Well, they didn't just to me. Wait, I didn't do anything. I didn't go anywhere. I stayed in the same spot. I'm just gonna follow this brick road. Oh, there's lightning. Good. Is it bad when it rains? Does that mean I can't like make a fire? Is that what it means? Oops, tab. Whoa. Alright, well, I'll just keep going. Just gonna follow it. And I'm gonna follow this. It's getting late. Oh, hey, look, I have a new item in my inventory. Cool. Let's jump through this last wormhole. Jump! Where's it gonna spit me out this time? I feel the same. Wait, no, this is unentered. Let's just keep jumping through the wormhole. Does it switch me out different places? Oh, yeah, it does. Okay, let's... Yeah, let's just stay here. Light. Put the fire down. Granite just got fire. What? Put those seeds. Go back over here. Start cooking some stuff. Cook. Cook. Cook this carrot. Cook these shrooms. Oh. Now to cook some shrooms. Cook these. Boom, that's cooked. My brain's about to die. I'm literally about to go insane. Well, does that mean I just like... Does that kill me? How do I gain that? Was I supposed to, like, were there instructions that came with this game? What the? Where's my axe? This game is slowly getting creepier. I think it's because I've literally, like, almost lost my mind. Lost the bearing on life. What is it? Oh god, it's getting dark, it's getting dark, it's getting dark! Yeah, I've definitely lost my mind. I've gone crazy. I grew a beard. Now I'm gone crazy. Yep, I'm done. Oh, it was nice. Ah! What the fuck? What the crap? Ah, I don't like this. Ah, why? Well, Wow. Wow. That's how it goes. That's how the game goes. You just get killed by shadows after you lose your mind. Maybe I'll play more of this game later, like down the road. But thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye!